Perfect. Whee! So beautiful. This haze around my face makes me feel old. Ow, it's hot. So beautiful, the space between. Hi guys.
How you doing?
I'm good.
Changing the oil.
Yeah, I'm changing the oil. Where is the filter is the question. Shit, wait, hold on. That's gear oil.
continue or to add whatever happens to the video, and it just is an endless video. So you have to cut it off at some point. But
Oh, it's spicy. just want to take a moment to just express my gratitude. I'm so blessed. I really can't complain. I have the freedom to go out and have a picnic by the lake myself with no worries, and I can just have a nice yummy snack and crochet and flow and just vibe. The water is so healing. Just the sound of it is just music to my flippin' ears. I had a really good day today. I'm so thankful. I'm so happy. I'm so excited for the future. I feel very hopeful. So full of love and gratitude and abundance. Thank you, universe. Thank you, spirit guides. Thank you, angels. Thank you. Thank you. I love you. Thank you. I'm sorry. Yeah. Look at the freaking sun right now. It's look at the sun energy. Yes. I'll miss you. I love you. Thank you. These guys. I'm gonna get a boat. That'll be me. That'll be me actually very soon. Just on a boat. Laying afloat. It's just a little tiny sliver now. Let's watch as the sun goes. See you later. It's just peeking now. Bye. Bye-bye. So beautiful. You barely can see her. And she's gone. And she's gone. That's it. Goodbye. Her presence is still very much there. It's just, I can't see her right now. She needs a break. She needs to let him have his moment. You see the moon? Barely. Let's see if this camera will catch it. There he is. Ooh. Zoomed in too much. Is that a fossil? Holy shoot, it's huge. Nice. These big balls, pretty good shaft. Oh, this is cool. Open. Is that a portal? I think we gotta go in. I'm going in. Give love. Give love. That's what I'm saying. What else do we have? The forbidden fruit. Guys, I think I just ate the forbidden fruit. Hey.
And the review that all the homies gave me was so sweet. This is everything.
Those look so good. Oh.
You wish you were here, huh?
I do. I do wish I was there. actually, speaking of Pop-Tarts, that's actually crazy because I just bought these at Trader Joe's yesterday. That's crazy.
It feels like a really good harmony to not just have the wounded parts of my younger self, but to have all of her imagination, purity, and joy. It really comes out around the right people, and those are the only ones I have in my life. Gosh, this day in nature was just a play date.
One girl said she wanted to rub her feet all over my oil to like hydrate her feet. I don't know, weird. People are weird, okay? Especially
What the
people
fuck?
Are making fun of you. I'm just like, that was odd, but bouncy.
I've been waiting for my elasticity to return to the way that it was. Okay, so I have come to a pretty good stopping point on my grandmother's custom dress. Can't be sitting here all day doing this. I mean, I could, but oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. When I think of my grandma, these colors are exactly what comes to mind. Baby blue. Baby blue. Dragonfly colors. Dolphin. Dragonfly. Baby blue. That's what I think when I think of my grandma. Anyways, I leave for Oregon next Wednesday. I'm so excited. So excited. The Pacific Northwest area in general is just super ideal to me. I would love to live there for a little bit. Definitely don't want to be rooted in one place right now. I eventually in the future would like to settle and have my own piece of land and build my own home and have a solid foundation so that I can then think about settling down with like a partner and having a family, starting my own family. But that's not till later, way later. I don't know, who knows. But yeah, definitely not ready for any of that right now. I am just living my life as a single person, doing whatever I want to do and building myself and establishing myself as a person and starting my business and just trying to be as self-sufficient as possible. That is my goal. To be as free as can be. Not have to rely on anybody or anything. Completely self-sustainable. And I want to do things organically and yeah, just live life to the fullest, the best that I can, and in a positive way, and to help others and to help myself and just be a good example. Yep. Anyway, I'm gonna go because I really do have to get ready for work. I just wanted to quickly show you my outfit for work today. Oh. Yep. Puerto Rico. Puerto Rico. Puerto Rico. Yeah. painted this bad boy myself. And I also cut it myself. Now, to do my makeup and accessorize. Yup. Pretty fire. If I do say so myself. Okay, I gotta go. I gotta keep getting ready for work.